Well, hello folks, it's Mike here. I just want to welcome you back to Mr. Cast Iron, where everything is better in cast iron. And today I've got a special for you. I'm going to be making another chili for Cast Iron Wednesday, but it's not your normal chili like you would think of ground beef or venison or something like that. But it's going to be a chili that's going to be made out of chopped barbecue pork. I'll tell you a little story. I come home from work the other day, and Teresa's been sick a little bit, and she started to feel a little better. And she said, "Boy, I sure could eat a barbecue sandwich." And I thought, well, okay, we'll just go to our little favorite barbecue joint and get us a sandwich and everything. Well, on the drive over there, I thought, hey, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and buy me a couple pounds of chopped pork barbecue because it's so good, man. We just love this little restaurant a few miles away. So I went ahead and I got a couple pounds of chopped pork. I thought I'm going to make some chili for Cast Iron Wednesday. So that's what we're going to do. And I'm going to show you just kind of a little bit of some of the star characters here. Of course, naturally, we got chili powder. We got cumin. We got some minced garlic. We're going to put a little beef broth in it. I got some good sea salt here. Of course, naturally, the chopped pork. And I've got some ranch style beans here. Got some tomato sauce. Got some light red kidney beans here, and I've got some chili beans here. And of course, naturally, you know I love onions, so we're going to have one medium. Actually, it's almost a large onion. We're going to start sauteing those down with the garlic and the pork and everything. And of course, naturally, when we get done, I'm going to put some cheese in it. But what makes this pot of chili different is it's actually going to be a simple Frito chili pie. Now, if you've not ever had a Frito pie or a chili pie, hold on, we're going to show you what this is all about. So let me go ahead and get all this stuff on the stove. We're going to start cooking it down, and we'll be back here in just a little bit. Okay, so here we are back, and in the process of time, this chili has come together. We put everything in. We got it all cooked down and stirred up and everything. So we're going to make our dish. I've got some sour cream here and some sliced jalapenos also that can be put into this. Now, you can take the chili and just put it in a bowl like this on top of some Fritos, and that's what we'll do here. And of course, naturally, I've got some cheddar cheese I'm going to put on there. And let me get me a couple of these jalapenos here. Just place those on there a little bit like that. And I'm going to get me a dollop of this sour cream here. Okay, now that is a Frito pie, but that's not the original Frito pie. The original Frito pie actually comes in a bag like this. And so what you want to do, now this has been called Frito pie, it's been called chili pie, it's been called walking tacos and different things like that. But we're going to put about 3 ladles of chili in here. And we're going to go ahead and add just a few jalapenos on top of mine. Like that right there. I'm going to put a dollop of sour cream in here. Just like that. And of course, naturally, we're going to have a little shredded cheese. And so I'm just going to use this spoon right here if y'all don't mind. But right there is the original Frito pie. Leave me a comment down there in the description box or in the comment section if you've ever had a Frito pie before. We used to eat these a lot back in the 70s and 80s. And so when Teresa and I went to the barbecue joint the other day, that's the first thing I thought of was a Frito pie, because you can't hardly find them anymore. So the best way to do that is make it at home. And so, man, I tell you what, you got these Fritos with that chili in there. Wow. You can't beat that. There it is. Look at that. You got your original Frito corn chips. You got you some good chili. Of course, this right here is made with chopped barbecue pork. And then you just place it on top of your Fritos. You can add your jalapenos if you like, some sour cream, some shredded cheese, and man, you got a simple Frito pie. So that's what we wanted to share with you today. Hope you've enjoyed this. You guys take care and have a great day. I got some other videos popping up around here, around my head. If you hadn't seen those, take a look at it. If you hadn't subscribed to us, we'd ask that you subscribe to us. You guys have a great day. We'll be talking to you again soon. It's Mike over here at Mr. Cast Iron. Woo, look at that, baby. That's what I'm talking about.